To manage your reports in SciNote, navigate to the Reports area. Down below, you will see the possibility to show more than 20 items. 20 items are the default setting of SciNote. So by clicking here, you can decide to show 50 or 100 rows. Additionally, you can use the search function to search for a specific report. Additionally, you can decide to customize this view to show only the information that is relevant to you. I will click on the Manage Column icon, and here I can decide to hide columns that I don't want to show or reset. Additionally, you can also pin some columns for a better view.